Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hafizi bin SHAARI. I'm from FTKEE, from section course BEEE. Okay, for the bachelor degree project presentation one, my title of project is developing smart device for on-road energy harvesting, supervised by Dr. Suraya binti Zainuddin. The main objective of this project is to design a prototype of dual energy generator by taking advantage of kinetic energy from the movement of car and vehicles, and also the solar energy on the highway. This also can be used at remote area for domestic usage. Next, to analyze the amount of power that can be produced on the highway while maximizing the electrical energy production. Next, to develop a prototype of a green energy generator by adopting the movement of vehicle. Okay, for the problem statement, why this project? I've been choosing this project. It is because fossil fuel sources and quantity are diminishing daily and soon will be extinct because fossil fuel are non-renewable energy. So once being used, if we does not discover the new source, this fossil fuel will be extinct. Next, remote remote area hard to get electrical access. For example, I'm giving you the construction of the Pan Borneo Highway from Sarawak to Sabah have long way to go. Regarding to the issue, Sarawak and Sabah have many sites that are very remote and does not contain any electrical grid access. So the for the highway, the electrical energy for consumption for the lamp, for the hazard light cannot be displayed. Not be displayed, but does not prepare this situation. Okay, and then for the next problem statement is environment issue. As you know, Malaysia has been using fossil fuel, and most of the energy come the fossil fuels such as petroleum, natural gas, and coal. Those energy generator comes from the generator station, produce combustion and smoke that will release to the environment. Those particles from the combustion actually will be pollute the environment. And then electrical grid network installation are expensive. As you know, to install a electrical grid network, you must have many substation, which is step down station, step up station, subjunction station, and you also need to prepare the land for the tower of the cable of the network, so it might affect cost very well. And then solar panel does not produce energy at night. As you know, solar panel only produce when it exposed to the light ray. However, at night, the the energy production are slow and almost no energy production at all. That's why I'm fill my project with two dual energy generator. Okay, this is overall system operation what I'm been working on. So I'm gonna explain this circuit totally with the system. Okay, as for the input, we have here solar panel, which it produce DC output maximum 12 watt. Okay, I don't want to talk about this solar panel. And then we got and then I got alternator, which is car alternator. Okay, the most I love about this alternator is this alternator give two output, which is DC output and AC output. It is because the car alternator already had built-in rectifier circuit inside it, which is the rectifier consists of diode to change the AC current from the movement of the revolution of the alternator and change it to DC current. Okay, this alternator will be used to make and to install wind turbine that will be placed on the system, and then system will be, this is for the input. Okay, next I want to explain about the controller circuit. Okay, the controller circuit used in this system, I choose Arduino Uno. This Arduino is used to control the charge of the battery. Okay, as you can see, this is the battery. The battery that gonna be used for this prototype is a car battery, lead acid battery, which it can hold 14 watt, 14.8 watt voltage. Okay, in this part, the comparator circuit will sense the amount of battery from the input. The voltage keep charging until the battery reach the certain amount. And to control the circuit, we use comparator circuit from the LM358. It is used to distinguish on battery. It is to prevent over voltage. So comparator circuit is important, which we can set the input. We can set the maximum and minimum of the voltage charge at the lead acid battery. Okay, for example, I want to set the battery voltage maximum is to 14 watt. No, to 12.240 watt. And then the minimum is to charge back the battery is 4. So if the voltage of the battery is under 12 volt, the input from the wind and solar will charge it until it reach the amount which we set at 12.5 volt. And then for dam load, and then to control the charge, we use comparator circuit. And then for the switching device, we use relay and transistor switching switch, which is transistor C1383. In this transistor, it used to switch the double pole relay. The transistor will change the pole at the relay. Consequently, once it receives the output from the Arduino Uno, and as for the mind controller, the microcontroller will access, which is Arduino Uno, will access the input once it at the 1 or 0. Once it process the input, it will decide either to let the voltage charge from the relay and transistor switching switch and charge the battery. Okay, and then once the battery reach the maximum amount, the operator circuit will send amount to the Arduino Uno, and then Arduino Uno process the system, will process the system, and give the output to the relay and transistor switching. So it will change the polarity of the double pole switch and change it to damp load circuit. In this damp load circuit is used to remove all the charge, as when the ring gonna keep producing energy, and if being cut, it cannot be let it in that. So we need a closed circuit to remove the charge input. That's all from my project. In question, in question and answer session. Okay, that's all. Thank you.